Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial and you are watching part 49 HTML encoding in MVC. In this session you will learn what is HTML encoding, why would you need HTML code encode, how to avoid HTML encoding in ASPX and Razor views. So before watching this video, please watch my previous parts 46, 47 and 48. In part 48, I was explaining about custom HTML helpers in MVC. So in this session, you will learn what is HTML encoding. HTML encoding is the process of replacing ASCII characters with their HTML entity equivalent. For example, these are ASCII characters and these are HTML encoded characters. Okay, so less than will be converted to ampersand LT, greater than symbol will be converted to ampersand GT, ampersand will be converted to ampersand AMP, single quote will convert it to ampersand has 039 and double quote will be converted to ampersand quote. Okay, so why would you need this HTML encode? To avoid cross-site scripting attacks, all output is automatically HTML encoded in MVC. So we will discuss cross-site scripting attack in a later video session, but before that we have to know which code is converted in directly in HTML encode. Okay, avoiding HTML encoding. So to avoid HTML encoding, we use this iHTML strings, html.row and this. Okay, percentage equal to percentage inside of the angular brackets. So these are supported in the Razor view and ASPX views. This percentage symbol will only supported to this ASPX views, not in Razor views. Okay, so let's flip to the Visual Studio, and there is default controller, and in my default controller there is a details method. Inside of details method I have called this single ID and display that object of single employee ID to the view. Okay, and returning this details.cshtml. In the last session we have seen I have used this html.image customize html helper. Okay, I have used this image customize html helper, and this customized html helper I have created in the one folder named custom html helpers, and inside of that there is class. Okay, this class static class custom html helpers, and inside of that static this custom html helper image I have used. Okay, so here I have used this string and returned this string using this string. So the output of this string will be converted to encoding, because when we use this as string characters inside of the coding, it will convert it to directly converted to HTML encoding. So in the display it doesn't display the image, but it will display HTML encoded code. Okay, so avoid this you need iHTML string. So before using iHTML string, we see here the output how the HTML encoded string will look like. Right, you can see here this HTML encoded string. Okay, in the photo, in place of photo there is HTML encoded string, and when you right click on this page and view the page source, that time you can see here the HTML encoded converted, uh, the string is converted to HTML encoded using this. Okay, this is the code of encoded HTML, right? And you see here this ampersand LT means less than, okay, less than angular bracket, and this ampersand GT greater than angular that greater than symbol, okay, that matlab angular bracket, okay. Same like that, you can see here this ampersand quote means double quote, and this another thing here is also ampersand quote double quote, ampersand quote double quote. So this HTML encoded string look here, okay. Now I want to display, I want to display the photo in place of this HTML encoded string. So what I will do, I will convert this string into the iHTML string. So in place of string I will use iHTML string, iHTML string, and here I will use new HTML string, and it will be inside of this bracket, okay. So this iHTML string will given the interface of the photo means HTML string will use the interface of iHTML string and return the coded value. It doesn't encode, but it will decode the value and display the photo, okay. So let's check it, right? You can see here now in place of encoded HTML string it will display the photo because this HTML string use iHTML string interface, okay, and display the photo, and the conversion of an HTML encoded is stopped, okay. So now you can see here I have showing this HTML string use, and now we will see the use of this html.row. So how to this html.row use, I will put string same, and I will convert this into string and remove this HTML string, open the brackets, okay. And now inside of the view page I will use that @html.row, okay, like this html.row, okay. For that @html.row, and inside of that I will pass this string record, okay, html.image model.photo. So again you can see here the photo is displayed, means the string is converted to interface. This html.row is given the permission to this control that do not encode this code, okay. So it will decode the code and display the image using this @html.row, and inside of this I have used this string, okay, character. Now same like this for ASPX views I can use this ampersand symbol, okay, percentage symbol. For that you will go to this view, use this string here same, and you will create the page, right click on this, and you will add a new page of ASPX, okay. but presently I have only the C sharp page. There is no drop down list for ASPX and Razor View. Only I have Razor View syntax, so I cannot show you now. So you will create the ASPX page using this, and you will use the @HTML symbol here like this, equal to, and here percentage symbol equal to, like this. Okay. So this ASPX page have this type of symbol to convert the code to convert the code to the decoded code. Okay. So it will display the image. So this is the end of this video session, and thank you for listening my video. And if you like this video, please like it, subscribe it, share it. Have a great day. Thank you.